In 2008, the economy collapsed. Millions lost their homes, their savings, everything, but nobody explains why it happened. Until now, I'm going to explain it so simply a 5-year-old could understand, starting with a bike. You're 5 years old. You want a bike, but you don't have money, so you ask your dad for a loan. Can I borrow $100? I'll pay you back, I promise. Your dad says yes. That's a loan. Simple, right? Now, what if your dad didn't trust you pay him back? What if he knew you couldn't, but he gave you the money anyway? That's what banks did in 2008. Now let's scale this up. Instead of one kid wanting a bike, it's millions of people wanting houses. In the early 2000s, everyone wanted to buy a home, and banks, they were handing out loans like candy. You want a house?